Well, well, well. It's Econ Rebel, and we are live. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I don't know what you're doing, but it's rainy outside. I'm looking outside. It is miserable and rainy. And I'm inside. I wouldn't say I'm warm because I'm a little bit cold, but hey, that's okay. It's a little bit, well, it's not like some places. It's only probably 15 degrees. I don't know. Some places are probably zero. So they're probably a lot colder, but I'm cold at the moment. So I'm going to be quick this morning. I've got a couple of things I want to cover with you. Let's have a look. All right, and there's my pretty picture there. Okay, so I'm going to cover probably 2 or 3 things. The first one, give a market update. There's some news I saw in there, and also I've got some exciting news for you. All right, so let's have a quick look at the market update. So we've got Bitcoin at $6,086, Ethereum at $431, Ripple at 45 cents, Bitcoin Cash at $700, EOS $7.61, Litecoin $76, Stellar 18 cents, Cardano 12 cents, and Tether at number 9 for $1. Market cap's 2.7 billion, and IOTA 94 cents. Notice how Tron has moved into 11th position at 3 cents. So there you go. So Tether. Now this brings. I looked at this morning and thought, okay. So what's going on with Tether? So I checked out some of the news. So I want to tell you about this. This is a little article. So Charlie Lee, right? Basically the founder of Litecoin, biggest promoter of Litecoin. He says generally that this has been a precursor of the price going up. Tether gets printed when people deposit USD and they get USDT, which is Tether, back. This USDT will be used to buy crypto. This is similar to someone depositing $250 million to the exchanges. Of course, it doesn't mean they'll buy it right away. So, yes, now, must admit, every time we've seen more Tether being, well, you call it printed, but more Tether coming onto the, into circulation, that generally means that they're going to be buying more. Now, Tether is, if we have a quick look, just to show you sort of how big and important Tether is, when we go into volume, we're on coinlib.io. If we click on the volume up here, it gives us the actual flow of where the money's coming in the last 24 hours, and we can actually see money coming in from USD plus the other currencies, and also we can see how it goes in and out of Tether. Now, if you pay attention to my live streams, this is what's happened so far. So Bitcoin, $2 billion has went in. This is the last 24 hours. $2 billion has went into Bitcoin from USD. Now, normally, Japanese yen, it's only done 1.68 billion. However, Tether is 1.94 billion from Tether into Bitcoin. So there you go. So basically, they've put USD, got Tether, and now they're buying into Bitcoin. A big chunk of it. The second biggest chunk there would be Ethereum, and third would be EOS, and that's for Tether. So with the USD, it's mainly going to Bitcoin, which is this here, and then you've got secondary would be Ethereum. It's flowing then into Ethereum. But as you can see, this normally Tether's a lot less, but now it's in the last 24 hours it's been huge. So this is a breakdown from Bitcoin flowing. So we got 600 million flowing into Ethereum from Bitcoin. 167 million into Bitcoin Cash. We got 153 million into Dash, 122 into Litecoin, and about 87 million into EOS, like the top 5 there. So that's where the flow of where it's actually converting at the moment. So yeah, I just thought to share that with you. So that was a good thing that I saw. I did see the article separate, but Charlie Lee's commented on it. And before, we've seen, there's a lot of things, whether you believe Tether is actually fair income and there's actually money behind that. We've had reports to say yes there is, and reports to say No, there's not. But the last one was that yes, there was the money there. So we're assuming that $250 million just got put in there to purchase. And if we start to see, people buying Bitcoin and the price going up in the next few days, maybe the next week, then that is definitely a precursor, as Charlie Lee says, a precursor to the price going up. So that is positive news as far as I see it. I think that's pretty good news. Pretty good news. All right, so I think that's all I'm going to cover with news this morning. There wasn't too much else that was happening, and I've shown you the charts as they're down. We're probably down. Oh, what are we down? I think it was about 2 or 3%. Yeah, 2 to 3% in the last 24 hours for Bitcoin. In those top 10, like the others, Bitcoin Cash down nearly 7%, EOS down 7%. Same with IOTA. But see, that's something you've got to remember. See, Bitcoin might move a couple of percent, but all the other coins and the alts, these other coins are all going to move a lot further. Hence why you see greater percentages. But it's just like when Bitcoin starts to go up, you'll then see it might only go up 5%, but you'll see the alts go up 10%. And as you go down further, you'll see that usually it's greater. So for example, in the top 50, Bitcoin private's down 20%. But when the market is going up slightly, you might have a 3%, 4% increase on Bitcoin, and then you'll see a 20% increase on Bitcoin private, for example. So the further you go down, generally you get it's more volatile, and it's either going to go up or down more. That's just to do with the price of it, and just to do with the volume. All right, so the exciting news. Now, if you're on my pre-launch list, you would have, and you're saying, well, what was that? Well, there was, last few weeks I've been talking about my crypto getting starter guide. Well, I'm pretty excited. I've actually got it finished. Yeah, so it's finished, and it's up and ready to go. I've already sent out everyone that's on the pre-list, list for the pre-launch. That's it. So they've got an email already. That could be you. So if you've signed up to get advanced notification of that, I have sent you an email. There is a coupon code in there that you need to use to get the course. So the course, I'll just click through. I'll have a quick look at this. Now, if you need, this course is not like an advanced course, okay? I'm working on an advanced course that'll be the next course I do. This is just the basics. So I find that a lot of people I talk to don't understand the basics, and that's okay. But when you want to make money in whether it's investing or trading, whatever it is in crypto, right? To make that money, you need to understand the basics. So that's why I made it, because basically I want to refer everyone that wants to know about certain things that are really basic stuff. I want them to go to this course. So at the moment it's valued at $47. You guys that signed up with email, you can get it for free because you've received the coupon code. So all you need to do is put that coupon code. Actually, you just click on buy for $47. And it pops up on the screen, and you just put your email address in, go continue. The very next screen it asks for a coupon code, and you just put the coupon code in, which is in your email, and then once you put that in, you just continue through, and it'll set you up a free account, and you'll have access to that. Now it's actually about over 2 hours worth of videos, and the whole content is here. As you can scroll down, you can see. And yeah, so basically it is all the information you're going to learn. You're going to learn about wallets and how to send and receive crypto, how to cash out, how to secure your crypto from hackers, a whole bunch of things that a lot of people don't get when they get into this space. So very excited about that. And yeah, so if you are on that pre-launch list email, you check your email, you'll see the coupon in there. Just follow the instructions and you can sign up for it. Cool. So I think that's all I wanted to tell you about today, and I will catch you guys up. I'll put the link below so you can check out the page and see what's like the content in the course. And if you need to contact me, just message me or comment below. Yeah, and just a few thoughts. If you've got anything that you want to, like, that you didn't know when you started out in crypto and wanted other people to know, just comment below, and there's a good chance that's actually already covered in the course. If not, I might add it in there at a later date. So that'd be great. All right, I shall talk to you again soon. Okay, bye.